Welcome to our channel. Setting up an Amazon seller account. Follow these verification steps to complete registration and start selling on the marketplace. Step 1. Complete basic account registration. Provide business name, address, and contact information during initial setup. Step 2. Submit tax information accurately. Enter your tax ID or social security number for IRS reporting requirements. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Enter the code sent via SMS to confirm your contact information. Step 4. Provide bank account details. Add checking account information for receiving disbursements from Amazon sales. Step 5. Upload required identity documents. Submit government-issued ID and possibly utility bills for address verification. Step 6. Complete identity video verification if requested. Some accounts require video call verification with Amazon team. Step 7. Add credit card for selling fees. Provide valid credit card to cover monthly subscription and selling fees. Step 8. Wait for account approval. Verification typically takes 24-48 hours. Check email for approval or additional requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.